Michael, have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is impacting our legal field? And what does it mean for us?
I've heard some chatter about it. What's your take?
Let's delve into it. Our profession faces unique challenges. We should understand how artificial intelligence fits into our world, especially regarding our artificial intelligence points.
All right, enlighten me.
Firstly, expertise. Artificial intelligence tools can assist in sorting legal documents or predicting case outcomes.
What about our nuanced understanding?
That's irreplaceable. Remember that complex real estate litigation last year? Artificial intelligence could sift through data, but our strategic interpretation made the difference.
Exactly, our strategy set us apart.
In that litigation, artificial intelligence's data analysis was beneficial, but our ability to identify loopholes and provide solutions showcased our unique expertise.
True, data alone doesn't drive decisions. So, what's next?
Our ability to connect. Artificial intelligence can simulate empathy, but can it truly feel? No, and in emotionally charged situations, like child custody battles, our genuine care offers comfort that artificial intelligence just can't.
Absolutely.
In those custody hearings, an artificial intelligence might provide statistics, but our authentic emotional support gives clients the confidence to persevere.
Makes sense. Anything else?
Let's talk ethics. We are bound by confidentiality, accountability, and a genuine duty to our clients. While artificial intelligence can follow programmed rules, can it discern ethical gray areas?
I doubt it.
Like when representing whistleblowers. We safeguard their identities, understanding the moral and legal implications. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, can't grasp these complexities.
Dear viewers, share your opinion in the comments about our place alongside artificial intelligence.
Please do. We want to know what you think.
And our role in society.
Precisely. We are not just litigators, we are champions of justice. Artificial intelligence can analyze patterns, but it can't advocate for societal change or understand the broader implications of a case.
That's a good point.
Think of landmark civil rights cases. It's lawyers who push boundaries, ensuring the rule of law aligns with societal values, not artificial intelligence.
So, while artificial intelligence can be a tool, our expertise, empathy, ethics, and societal roles make us indispensable.
Artificial intelligence has its place, but the heart and soul of the legal profession? That's us.
Thanks, Lisa. It's reassuring to know that our profession's essence is invaluable, even in the age of artificial intelligence.
And as we navigate these changes, our core values will guide us.
Dear viewers, if you found this conversation insightful, share this video with colleagues and peers. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell in order to receive notifications about new episodes.
Join us next time on Artificial Intelligence Talks for more discussions on the intersection of artificial intelligence and various professions.